Hi everyone. This video will show you how to create your first double exposure. Now I'm going to try to do this pretty fast, but you can always stop the video and watch it again. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your snow photo. So you can go to open or file, either way to open it. I happen to have it right there because I've already worked on it. So here's the snow photo. It's high resolution. It's good quality. Second step is to embed another photo on top of this. Go to File, go down to Place Embedded. I want you to find your abstract painting and then resize the abstract painting so that it fits completely over your bottom photo. It's an abstract painting, so you can have it a variety of ways. It doesn't matter. Okay, once it covers that, we're going to use the Layers palette to make some changes. So on the right-hand side, you have your Layers palette. Make sure you click on the top layer, which is your abstract painting with your mouse, to select it. And then you're going above it. See where it says the word normal right here? These are blending modes. Click on it. Dissolve really doesn't work well. I want you to go down to darken and just hover over it with your mouse. So you see how the screen changed? Now it is blending the top mode into the bottom mode using a darken algorithm. This is the multiply algorithm, color burn, linear burn, dark color, lighten. So I want you to go down the whole list. I want you to try to find one that you like. You decide what you like. There's no right, there's no wrong. Okay, I kind of like lighten, so click on it to select it. So this right here, this looks good, but you can do another change to it. It's the opacity right next to blending mode. If you click on opacity, this layer is 100%. You can make it a little bit softer, so the colors are more subtle. I'm going to keep it bold. Then the last step you need to do is save this as a JPEG so you can put it on your Weebly website. I'm going up to the top to File, go down to Save As. You can save it to your cloud or on your computer. I'm going to save it on my computer. Always change the name. You made a new document, rename it. So I'm going to call this Lighten, DE for double exposure. I'm going to save it in my downloads. Change the format to JPEG. Click Save. Make sure right here, here's the size of the image. Make sure it's smaller than 10 megabytes. Mine's 2.6, that's good. Click OK. And now you have just created your first double exposure.